Yeah. 24. I love orange vanilla. One. Oh, you want dish your bombs too? Okay. Where's she been? She been here and there. She calls me every now and again. Well, she texts me every now and again. I'm talking to her now. She texting me now. Her and Gigi. Did I miss what part? What part I missed? Sheet on my iPad. Oh, there she goes. No, I knew it. Not the furniture. She didn't want to come in because she didn't want y'all to talk to her. That's what she told me. So she being a doucheball. Okay, let's squeeze. Is that all the cans? I think we got all the cans sold. Thank you. Now it's about to be thick. Oh, Lord. No, it won't. You just teasing me. I did, Des, when you came in earlier. Or maybe when I was yesterday. We did orange and yellow together. I feel like my squeezes are off. Oh, I'm glad Charlie in here because I got several bones to pick with her because she chose a man over me this morning. Several bones to pick with her. Oh, I'm so glad I can do that. Thank you. You still have my address, yeah. Thank you, boo. Sour cream and onion. Baby, when I tell you those are delicious. Thank you. Now my back about to be even bigger. I'm trying to lose weight. I love it. Yes, Detroit is awesome, but only for me to visit now. I love me some potato chips, honey. I'm trying to get the chunks out. Some home fries. I wish you could send me some chili cheese fries, but it ain't gonna work. I be trying to make my own. Tinker didn't buy my perfume because she said that she was not my wife and that she wasn't about to spend $140 buying me no perfume and I wasn't putting out. That's what she told me. I'm just saying. Verbatim. Hey, Tortor. We do. You ain't say cute on that. Should have put out there. We gotta get to football. You know what, Cheryl? The way this lineup looking for this season, I don't know if I even want to go to a game. Like they done got rid of Monty, Thor gone. Like I gotta get this new squad together. My boy's still there. So I mean, yeah. But I don't know if I'm ready for this season. Of course, I'm gonna be with them forever. Until it's no more. I told you was my cousin. Not Gigi, don't start. Don't start. Because it's feeling the heat. My camera detects hot and cold. So it's trying to alter the lighting. or it could be because it's paste on the lens. Let me clean it. Bingo. Okay. But it's still doing it. Tinker, these are yours. You feel clean? Okay. Yes, more cans are going in. Yeah, because my schedule changed. But I'm not doing, this gonna be the last birthday live. I'm not doing another one next week. It is canceled. I do, well, for this particular thing, it's just lemon and orange kind of like products. So I do have some fabs and I have bananas, but they're orange and lemon. Not my finest, yeah. I'm not doing next week's. Yeah, I know. Ooh, and he got to come home and clean them, so he'll be home Friday. What I'm doing, Cat Skull, is minding my business. You should do that. It's very much rewarding if you mind your own business. Right? I'm glad for the ones who are enjoying.